How to get Netflix account for free without credit card. It's possible you'll be looking for find out how to get Netflix for free without a credit card? Then you landed on the proper place. However, this time, one thing extra fascinating. Excited? Getting Netflix is a really tedious activity if you happen to don't have the right technique or useful resource. There are numerous websites out there on the Google SERP, which claims without cost Netflix account without a bank card. You have got additionally visited a couple of them and sadly didn't get any working technique, but these websites have simply added a pretend listing of the way to seize site visitors. These websites don't care in regards to the person. Earlier than continuing additional, let me you conscious of Netflix. I do know lots of you guys find out about Netflix. Find out how to get a digital card, step by steps. 1. First, go to the https://wireexap.com/website. 2. When on the right hand aspect of the location, click on Open Account. 3. Then fill in your registration particulars corresponding to nation, electronic mail, and password. 4. Register your account. 5. In case you obtain your electronic mail affirmation. After your mail affirmation, click on In Your Profile Info and create it. 6. Now click on Bank Card Order. 7. Then choose the foreign money choices corresponding to US Greenback, GBP, Euro, and Extra. 8. Lastly, verify all of your particulars, and if there's an error fixing it, then ship it out ultimately. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.